Welcome to Grace Fellowship. We're so glad you're here with us this morning, and it's our desire here at Grace to help you take your walk with God to a deeper, higher place. If you're visiting with us today, we're so glad you're here. Hopefully when you walked in the building, you saw our starting point locations. Starting points are designed to help you take your first steps here at Grace, so please stop by. We'd love to meet you. Additionally, we'd love to learn a little bit about you. So would you mind just taking a moment to fill out the tear-off portion of your bulletin? You can drop it off at one of our drop-off boxes when you leave the auditorium this morning.
Our next Fifth Sunday offering will be Sunday, May 29th. We'll be taking a special offering that will go specifically towards improving the sound in our auditorium. We encourage you to seek God and determine how you can give above and beyond this Fifth Sunday. Little Treasures Preschool is now accepting registrations for the 2016 to 2017 school year. Classes are offered for children ages 3 to 5. Spots are limited, so act quickly. Registration forms can be found at the information desk in the atrium or online at littletreasuresyork.com.
Our annual church yard sale will be held June 2nd through June 4th. Every year we have tons of individuals and families who help volunteer, and this year we need you. Serving at the yard sale is an incredible way to meet new people and serve God at the same time. Please stop by the table in the atrium to learn more and sign up to help.
Are you interested in learning about long-term plan giving? We're offering a class on Sunday, May 22nd at 10:45 a.m. where you can learn about effective strategies to ensure the well-being of yourself and your family while considering Grace and/or other charities in your plan. This class will help you plan for your family's future as you learn how to avoid common estate and tax mistakes and control your destiny. Don't miss it. We hope to see you there.
You can always sign up for upcoming events either at graceyork.com or filling out the insert in your bulletin and putting it in the drop box as you leave the auditorium. To stay connected throughout the week, follow us on social media and look out for our weekly e-blasts. Now let's focus our hearts to hear God's Word from Pastor Mike.